How much does it cost to start a transportation business? The cost of starting a transportation business can vary greatly depending on the type of services you plan to offer and the scale of your operation. Some essential expenses to consider include vehicle costs. This includes purchasing or leasing vehicles, as well as insurance and maintenance costs, licensing and permits. Depending on your location and services, fees may be associated with obtaining necessary licenses and permits. Marketing and advertising. You may need to invest in marketing and advertising efforts to attract clients and build your brand. What are the key segments of the transportation industry? The transportation industry is a vast and diverse sector that encompasses various modes of moving people and goods. Road transportation. Road transportation includes all forms of land travel, such as passenger cars, trucks, buses, motorcycles, and bicycles. This segment also covers related services such as road maintenance, construction, tolls, and fuel stations. Rail transportation. Rail transportation refers to the movement of passengers or goods by train or other rail vehicles on a network of tracks. This segment includes services like passenger trains, cargo trains, and railway infrastructure maintenance. Air transportation. Air transportation involves the movement of people and goods through aircraft. This segment includes commercial and private air travel and services like airport operations, air traffic control, and air freight companies. Dive deeper into the world of transportation by checking out our previous video.